Aloha. I'm Andy. In this video, I will be unboxing the PNI L710 Pro GPS. The device comes packaged in a simple cardboard box, which features an image on the front highlighting one of its standout features, the built-in sunshade. This is a rare edition that I have only seen on a few select brands. On the front of the box, the main hardware specs are listed. RAM, 256 MB, internal storage, 16 GB, processor, MSP 2531 ARM Cortex-A7, 800 MHz. On the back, these specifications are listed again, but in greater detail. Additionally, the packaging notes that the device supports microSD cards up to 32 GB in, battery, 2100 mAh Li polymer. Power input, 5 volts, 2 amps. FM transmitter output, 50 nanowatts, FM frequency range, 87.5 to 108 MHz. Operating temperature, -26 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees Celsius. One side of the box displays the IAN code 5949066531095 and a QR code that links to the manufacturer's website, or more specifically, to the PNI brand page, because the GPS is made in China. On the opposite side, you will find the product's serial number. Inside the box, the screen is protected by a foam insert and a soft plastic sleeve to prevent scratches. The display comes with a factory-applied protective film, with one air bubble. On the left side, there are two small holes, their purpose is unclear. There is a USB-C port, used for both charging and data transfer. A warranty seal is applied near the charging port. Next to it is the microSD card slot, supporting cards up to 32 GB. Also there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack. In the upper left corner, there is the power button. The standout feature, however, is the non-removable sunshade, located above the screen. On the back, there is a reset button that can be used if the system becomes unresponsive. Accessories included: 2 USB-C car chargers, compatible with both 12 volts and 24 volts sockets. A windshield suction mount. A USB data cable, for file transfer or charging via PC. A compact user manual in 10 different languages. Five warranty certificates, hopefully never needed. Upon powering on the GPS using the power button, the device boots with the PNI logo. Then loads the main menu. However, the battery was almost empty, so I had to plug it in before continuing. Pressing the navigation button does nothing at first. No navigation software is pre-installed. Under the Tools menu, you will find a basic calculator, a unit converter for measurements, in the Settings menu, you can adjust the volume, screen brightness, you can choose from 29 languages. You can set the date, time, and time zone. You can choose the connection mode when linking to a PC. Mass storage, faster transfer speeds or MS Active Sync, typically slower, under 1 MB per second. You can also set the path to the navigation software and enable auto launch at startup via the auto run navigation software on startup option. System information menu displays ROM version, app version, platform ID, device ID, RAM size, internal memory capacity. If needed, this menu also allows you to restore factory settings. Under the multimedia menu, the device supports video playback of AVI, ASF, WMV, CEF files. Photo viewer supports the JPEG, GIF, BMP, PNG files. eBook reader supports the text format. Flash player support the Flash videos. The GPS info section shows satellite connection details and signal quality. The music players support the MP3, WAV, MID, DAT, ASX files. It has also an FM transmitter function, with a playback frequency range of 87.50 to 108 MHz. While charging, a red LED indicator lights up. Once fully charged, the red LED turns off. Older models would switch the LED from red to green when charging was complete. Tomorrow I will test how quickly it connects to satellites and I will upload a short. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, goodbye.